Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Joyful and Enduring. Today, we're embarking on a very special journey, a guided Yoga Nidra, specifically crafted for gut healing and digestion. If you've ever felt the discomfort of bloating or the stress that can impact your digestive system, this practice is for you. Find a comfortable position, lying down if possible. You can even use a bolster under your knees if your lower back feels tight. Relax your entire body and let's begin. Gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath, noticing the natural rhythm. Feel your body sinking deeper into the support beneath you. We'll now begin a rotation of consciousness. Feel your right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the right hand, back of the right hand, the right wrist, right forearm, right elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder, right armpit, right side of the ribs, right waist, right hip, right thigh, right knee, right calf muscle, right ankle, right heel, sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Moving to the left side now. Bring your awareness to the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the left hand, of the left hand, the left wrist, left forearm, left elbow, left upper arm, left shoulder, left armpit, left side of the ribs, left waist, left hip, left thigh, left knee, left calf muscle, left ankle, left heel, sole of the left foot, top of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, go to the back of the body now, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the space between the blades, the middle back, the lower back, the entire spine, back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, now bring your awareness to the forehead, right temple, left temple, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, eyebrow center, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, tip of the nose, upper lip, lower lip, the chin, the throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, center of the chest, upper abdomen, navel center, lower abdomen, pelvic floor. The whole right leg, the whole left leg, both legs together. The whole right arm, the whole left arm, both arms together. The whole body, the whole body, the whole body resting in awareness. Now bring to mind your Sankalpa, a heartfelt intention you wish to manifest. Perhaps it's my digestion is calm and harmonious, or I nourish my body with ease. State it silently to yourself 3 times, feeling its truth. Bring your awareness to your abdomen, your gut space. Imagine a gentle, warm, healing light beginning to glow in this area. With each inhale, this light expands. Bringing soothing energy to every cell. With each exhale, release any tension, any discomfort, any stagnation. Visualize your digestive system working with perfect harmony, absorbing nutrients, and releasing what no longer serves you. See it as a calm, flowing river, effortlessly moving. Briefly experience a sensation of heaviness. And now, lightness. Cold. And now, warmth. Returning to the feeling of calm and ease in your gut. Slowly now, begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. To the sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me. I hope it brings you peace and supports your digestive well-being. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might benefit. See you next time. Namaste.